Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Donna DeRosa. Today I'm starting a new series all about Mediterranean diet inspired small plates and tapas. I think it's going to be a lot of fun, so make sure you subscribe so you know every time I post a new recipe. Today's recipe is going to be a very classic Spanish tapas dish. It's called Patatas Bravas, which is basically strips of potato that are fried, but I'm going to bake them instead so they're a little bit healthier, and then they're served with a spicy tomato sauce so you can dip in. And they're really delicious, so I hope you enjoy it. Here I have 2 russet potatoes, which we've just peeled, and we're going to thinly slice them lengthwise because we're going to coat them in olive oil, put them on parchment, and bake them in the oven. You don't want them to be too thin. You want them to be thick enough where they're not going to crisp up in the oven. Okay, we decided to cut the potato in half and then do it because it's so much easier to slice it that way and more safe for your fingers. Okay, these are ready to be tossed in olive oil and a little salt and pepper. We're going to keep the spice simple because they're served with a tomato sauce that is very spicy. Potatoes are going in at a 400-degree oven for about 20 minutes. Check them to see if they're done. Traditionally, these potatoes are served with a spicy tomato sauce. So this is some leftover tomato sauce that I've had made already. And I'm going to add this calabrese pepperoncini. Now this stuff is seriously hot, so use it at your own risk. But I'm going to add a nice spoonful of it to this sauce, and it's really going to heat it up. So here are our potatoes, sitting on a bed of spicy tomato sauce, so you just dip and eat. Mmm.